This is Shadow. Say hi, Shadow. And he's going to eat out of my hand today. Hopefully. I'm going to try to get him to eat out of my hand. Because he's the cutest little bunny ever. Alright. Let's get you a snack. Alright. Hey, Shadow. Like this? Like this? Oh, good boy. Here. 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 Come here, good boy. You take it? Do you want something different? Ooh, look. Look at this. Oh, good boy. Now I know, Shadow, you're not going to ever watch this because you're a bunny rabbit. But you're eating out of Mommy's hand for the first time. You gonna eat this chip-looking thing? Eat these? Eat that? Aw, good boy. Eat this Oreo thing? Huh? Do you want it? Oh, you're so cute. Eat till Daddy sees this. Eat it. Daddy wants to see you eat it. You don't want that, do you? Ooh, I got a piece of nut. Or whatever this is. Good boy. Alright, I'm going to send this to Daddy. And a good night thing.